Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on inverting the colors and using grayscale on your Nintendo Switch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the home page of the Switch, open up the System Settings. Scroll all the way down the System Settings and open System. Then scroll down the right menu and select Change Display Colors. To invert the colors, select Invert Colors. This changes every color to the opposite color of itself, so everything that is black will become white and so on. To use grayscale, tap Change Display Colors and then select Grayscale. Grayscale will turn every color on your Nintendo different shades of grey. Inverting the colors will make your Nintendo screen look pretty cool, as you can see when I go back to the home screen of my Nintendo. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nintendo tips and tricks.